If Chrome has been hijacked by Safe Finder, pop-ups, strange search results, or random redirects, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove Safe Finder manually from Chrome step by step. This is a simple fix, and it works best when you follow each step carefully from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most important step is to remove any suspicious Chrome extensions. In many cases, browser hijackers like Safe Finder get installed as extensions, toolbar add-ons, or search helpers, and that's why your Chrome keeps changing the homepage or search engine. So open Chrome first. Now look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From that menu, hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. This will open the extensions page where you can see everything currently installed in Chrome. Take a careful look through the list. You want to remove anything suspicious, unfamiliar, or anything that you did not install yourself. Specifically, look for Safe Finder, unknown extensions, search toolbars, and suspicious add-ons. If you see any of those, click Remove. Chrome may ask you to confirm, so go ahead and confirm the removal. If you're not sure whether an extension is safe, a good rule is this. If you don't recognize it, or if it was added around the time your browser started acting strangely, it should probably go. The goal here is to clean out anything that could be forcing Safe Finder back into your browser. After removing the suspicious extensions, the next step is to reset your search engine back to Google. Safe Finder often changes the default search provider, so every search gets redirected somewhere you didn't choose. To fix that, click the three dots again in the top right corner. This time, click Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Search Engine. Then look for the change button or the option that lets you choose your default search engine. Select Google from the list, then click Set as Default. Once Google is set as your default search engine, check to make sure Safe Finder is no longer selected anywhere in the browser search settings. If you also see any other unwanted search engines or suspicious entries, remove those too if Chrome gives you the option. This helps make sure the hijacker doesn't keep coming back. At this point, your Chrome browser should already be much cleaner, but if Safe Finder was deeply installed, it may have changed more than just extensions and search settings. So after completing these steps, it's a good idea to restart Chrome and test a few searches. Open a new tab, type something into the address bar, and confirm that your searches now go through Google normally. If the problem is still showing up, go back and double check the extensions list one more time. Sometimes, a browser hijacker installs more than one item, and one leftover extension can continue causing the issue. Removing every suspicious extension is the key part of this fix. So to recap, the manual removal process is: first, open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and remove Safe Finder, unknown extensions, search toolbars, and suspicious add-ons. After that, go back into Settings, open Search Engine, select Google, and set it as the default. That's the fastest manual way to clean up Safe Finder in Chrome and get your browser back to normal. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.